And today I came across a tractor that I caught just in the field across the way over a week ago, and it was actually kicking out, getting ready for baling. But I've actually found the man and the baler on tractor today. Here's a guy, Kramer 312 LEX, armour, granite, all that. Sticking the bales today. So they put them into stacks of 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 high. Anyway, I'll get the baler man, Massey Ferguson 675, 37 years of age I think. And put it alongside all the the driver was telling me it's only missed tying one bale today. It'll probably be the kiss of death. So it's an international 440 baler today as well. So the gentleman is saying he actually watches all my videos. He's got a good sleeper and he gets up through the night and watches YouTube. So I think this is maybe just a neighbour giving out a bit of hand to help, or a helping hand rather. So they've sort of, he was saying that the other day, it's quite a job, the wind was blowing the rows all sorts of ways. So they have a 390 that was raking up over at the gate there. So it's nice when you get the two-wheel drive and you get the turn fairly quickly, you're back into the next row. Anyway, I'll make that do. You'll see him get the drone up for 5 minutes. If I can anyway.